Do you have a 3 or 4-month-old at home? The Charmer Play Kit is all of the stimulation that they need. This is our new rattle ball. This is great for grasping and hand-to-hand transfer. They also will love to mouth this. Around 4 months, your baby is going to be able to work on their grasping skills. And around 6 months, they'll be able to move their object from hand to hand. They'll love to mouth and grasp this teeter. One of my favorites is this reversible mirror. It has a stand. Prop it up for tummy time. You can also hang this mirror right onto the play gym so there's this huge mirror to look at. So you know, a lot of those baby mirrors, they aren't that great. This is amazing. We also have a soft book that has so many different textures and pockets. This teeter has a cloth that you can put in the freezer so they'll get cold stimulation for their gums and their teething. You also have sound stimulation. So this is the first classic perfect rattle. This is perfect to roll during tummy time. And then of course, they love listening to you. Is my baby feeling sleepy? They are gonna love looking at this book into like 1 and 2. It'll be really calming for them for bedtime. Ideas for things that you can say to your baby to give them that verbal stimulation. And of course, the play guide has everything you need to know. Really goes deep into just what's happening right now, all the activity ideas, and it comes with the Lovevery app. The Charmer Play Kit, it has everything you need.